Woo! What an unbelievable live, guys. You can see we've got Michael T Panetta and Jay Lippman in the back. And we are going to go over here to Hershey Park. It's going to be freaking epic. I'm really looking forward to this. Roll them bumps, Piney. So this is going to be the first opportunity that I get to vlog on an actual professional camera. I'm really looking forward to it. You can see that the tram car is sponsored by Geico because, you know.
Because why not?
Why not? Somebody's got to pay for that gas. Oh, man. It'll be interesting.
Not a paid endorsement. We just really like chocolate.
So what kind of camera is this, Michael?
That's the A6500 80s Trine, and I don't know if you folks are seeing it or not, but he needs the arm strength and the core strength to hold that thing. We're gonna have to do a lot of post-production and a lot of stabilization in this.
Yep. Stop number one. It's a rotating schedule because of all the equipment, but it's what happened. Alright, so now I am finally recording. Jay Lippman had asked if this is the most public place that I've ever vlogged.
It is?
But I would say as far as massive people go, this is probably the most populous. Music festival is pretty crowded, but
you know what makes it easier? Having two other idiots stand there with you talking to the camera while people are literally walking by eyeing you down as they walk by.
You know it. Everybody's like, what are those dudes
Really?
doing?
It's 2018, people. People talk to cameras.
Go watch it too. At least I have professional gear, so they're thinking, all right, well, this guy at least knows what he's doing.
Right.
They don't know I don't know what I'm doing, but they think I do, so that's good enough for me. Woo! So we are checked in, our bags are packed, we're ready to rock into the park. Right over there. Whacking people with the phone. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? This thing is heavier than what I'm used to. My arm is going like this. I'm gonna probably sweat 9 pounds out today. Yep. And my muscles are gonna be massive. It's gonna be ridiculous. It's gonna be off the chain. Oh, let's do this. It has been literally years since I've been to Hershey Park. To get the opportunity to spend it with a couple of awesome dudes. So I'm not sure what we're exactly going to ride.
With no kids.
I just don't know. We're going to have to be the big kids today. That's right, because we don't have any kids with us.
That's a great point.
So we're going to be the big kids today.
What's meat coffee? Is that for the ladies?
Picking up some drinks, working out the arm. When was the last time that Jay was in Hershey Park?
87 years ago. I have no idea. It's been a really long time. But Paramore was playing.
Wow. I don't even remember the last time I was here, but it's been a long time. I was probably a teenager. At least 6 months had passed since I've been.
Oh, it wasn't recording. No, I'm kidding.
We are going to actually see a roller coaster come down here. We don't know how long we had to wait for this shot. I don't know if the ride was shut down or what the heck is going on, but I think it might happen. That's what I'm talking about. I think I might ride that. Why not? I'm just having fun using this camera, getting used to using this camera.
You know, just start shaking with the camera.
There we go, baby.
Someone did a shot. So is Michael's entire arm.
Oh,
that's fine.
Man, I suck. You see what I did there? I ruined their whole shot being a jackass. But at least they got my arm in the shot. Oh yeah, so we're gonna finally hit the first shot. This should be interesting. This is interesting.
Yay! Oh, it's still on standby. All right, now we're recording. All right, people. We're doing this. Okay, here it goes. This is the big drop. Oh no! Oh, okay. Not that bad. There you go. Alright, this is the best part of the ride. You ready? That's the TBS. Slow motion.
I think we are all exceptionally hungry. It's been one of those days. I just figured something out here. Let me get this right. I can actually kind of balance this tripod on my forearm, and maybe it won't be so shaky, or maybe it will. We'll see what happens. Just learning. So we are on our way out. As you know, Jay Lippman, Michael T Panetta, still here with me. We're hanging in there. I got a little wet. It is what it is. You got to get the shot. You know what I'm saying? We had an awesome day, though. I want to thank you guys for coming and hanging out with me. Make sure that you go out there and you subscribe to these gentlemen. The link is in the description. And if you're not subscribed to Jay Lippman and Michael T Panetta, you're missing out. I'm telling you. All right, we had an amazing day today, guys. Michael T Panetta, Jay Lippman, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. It was unbelievable. I don't know what I even have on this camera, but we're gonna find out. It's gonna be a lot of fun. There might be lots of voiceover, who knows? But have a great day, guys. Find your adventure, and I will see you in an hour for the live show.